Okay, okay. Whose hand? Whose hand are you doing? Are you doing Mia's hand? Just spit it on there, spit it on there, don't use the tube.
Yeah, don't use the tube to spit.
We probably made that work.
I think they would have done it dry.
Okay, get more. And
I think you'd have wet around the hand first and then blown it dry on.
Right, you think back up there. Yeah, why don't you just spit it,
Owen,
like blow it out?
you get that. If I
working.
give you some liquid, keep
Okay,
filming.
with some water.
Right, okay, water.
The water in the mouth, so then...
Yeah, that's right. She's right.
Get a lot. Get a lot.
A lot?
I would do a lot.
Yeah. That's right. No more.
Yeah, it's probably nice.
You go, Owen.
You go...
Owen.
Actually, okay, drink water and then get more. More. Get a lot. More than that, a lot. Come on. You just add a lot of water in your mouth as well. So you'll be... mentally.
Just spit.
Okay, this is
It worked. Hey, you guys! He needs to wash his mouth out.
Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cave art in your own home. First, get some charcoal, put it in a pestle and water, and rush it up into a nice fine powder, like this. Then, put your hand on a piece of paper and wet the edges. And then, simple as this.
And that is how you produce cave art. Owen, we are dead impressed.